A window cleaning business is all about making glass surfaces sparkle. You clean windows for houses, offices, and sometimes big buildings. The work is more than just wiping glass. It also means cleaning frames, removing dirt, and making sure the view is crystal clear. Many jobs are done from the ground, but tall buildings may require ladders, water-fed poles, or even rope access. You can work alone or hire a small team. Customers might call you for one-time jobs, or they might want regular cleaning every week, month, or season. The job also includes talking to clients, giving quotes, and keeping track of bookings. While it sounds simple, it takes skill to avoid streaks and damage. A professional window cleaner is fast, careful, and leaves a perfect finish. This business is flexible. You can work part-time or full-time, and you choose your service area. It's a hands-on job that suits people who like working outdoors and seeing instant results from their effort. How it works: a window cleaning business works by offering your service to people who need clean, clear windows. First, you find customers. This can be through word of mouth, flyers, social media, or working with property managers. Once a client books you, you visit their home or business to inspect the windows and give a price. Some jobs are quick, like cleaning a few small windows in a house. Others take hours, such as large office buildings or storefronts. You use tools like squeegees, microfiber cloths, buckets, cleaning solution, and sometimes special poles that reach high places. Safety is very important, especially when working at heights. You clean each window carefully, remove marks, wipe the edges, and make sure there are no streaks left behind. Payment can be collected after the job or through online invoices. Many cleaners also offer extra services like screen cleaning, gutter cleaning, or pressure washing. Over time, building a list of regular customers helps create steady income and keeps your schedule full year-round. Tools you need: starting a window cleaning business doesn't require a huge amount of equipment, but the right tools make all the difference. The basics include a good quality squeegee for streak-free cleaning, a scrubber or applicator to loosen dirt, and a sturdy bucket to hold your cleaning solution. You'll also need microfiber cloths or lint-free rags to wipe frames and edges. For higher windows, extendable water-fed poles or ladders are essential. Safety gear is just as important. Gloves to protect your hands, non-slip shoes for stability, and sometimes a safety harness for tall buildings. A scraper can help remove tough marks like paint or bird droppings, but it must be used carefully to avoid scratching the glass. If you plan to work on large buildings, a pure water system with a filter can give spotless results without chemicals. A simple tool bag or bucket on a belt helps keep everything within reach. Investing in durable, professional-grade tools saves time, improves results, and makes you look more reliable to customers. Startup costs: starting a window cleaning business can be affordable compared to many other trades. If you focus on small homes and low-rise buildings, you can begin with basic tools for just a few $100s. This covers items like a quality squeegee, scrubber, bucket, microfiber cloths, cleaning solution, and an extendable pole. If you need a sturdy ladder, expect to spend more. For those aiming to clean taller buildings or offer pure water cleaning, equipment costs can rise into the thousands due to filtration systems, long poles, and safety gear. You'll also need to budget for business essentials, things like insurance, licensing fees, and marketing materials such as flyers, business cards, or a simple website. If you use a vehicle for transport, factor in fuel and maintenance. The good news is, once you buy your tools, they can last a long time with proper care. Overall, this is a business where you can start small, keep costs low, and grow as you gain more clients. Daily work life: the daily work life of a window cleaner is active, hands-on, and often outdoors. Your day usually starts by checking your schedule, loading your tools, and traveling to the first job. Each location is different. You might clean windows in a small home one morning and move on to a shopfront or office building in the afternoon. The work involves setting up equipment, reaching different window heights, and ensuring every pane is spotless. You also wipe frames, clean sills, and sometimes remove screens. Weather plays a big role. Sunny days are ideal, but you may also work in light rain or chilly conditions. Good time management is important to fit all jobs into the day without rushing. In between cleaning, you might talk to clients, give quotes, or schedule future visits. By the end of the day, you pack up your gear, handle any payments, and plan for tomorrow. It's a mix of physical effort, customer service, and attention to detail. How much you earnings in a window cleaning business can vary a lot depending on location, type of clients, and how much work you take on. Small residential jobs might pay anywhere from $50 to $150, while larger homes or commercial buildings can bring in several $100s per visit. If you work full-time with a steady flow of customers, monthly income can range from a few thousand to well over 500,000. Some experienced cleaners with high-end or large-scale contracts make much more. Seasonal demand also affects earnings. Spring and summer are usually busier, while winter may slow down unless you work in warmer areas or offer extra services. Regular clients who book weekly or monthly help keep income steady. Costs for fuel, equipment upkeep, and insurance will reduce your profit. But if you work efficiently and build a loyal customer base, this business can provide a good living. The more skilled and reliable you are, the higher rates you can charge. Hidden expenses. While window cleaning can be profitable, there are hidden costs that many beginners overlook. Fuel for traveling between jobs can add up quickly, especially if your service area is large. Equipment wears out over time. Squeegee rubbers, microfiber cloths, and cleaning solutions need regular replacement. Ladders, poles, or water systems may require repairs or upgrades. If you work at height, you might need specialized safety gear, which can be costly. Business expenses like insurance, licensing fees, and marketing also take a share of your earnings. Bad weather can cause cancellations, leading to lost income. Vehicle maintenance, parking fees in busy areas, and even small things like gloves or buckets contribute to ongoing costs. If you hire staff, wages, training, and workers' compensation must be factored in. While these expenses can't be avoided, good planning and budgeting will help keep them under control so your business stays profitable in the long run. Common challenges. Running a window cleaning business comes with challenges that go beyond just cleaning glass. Weather is one of the biggest. Rain, wind, or extreme cold can delay work and reduce income. Physical strain is another issue. Climbing ladders, reaching high windows, and carrying equipment all day can be tiring and sometimes risky. Safety is a constant concern, especially when working at heights or near busy streets. Building a steady client base takes time, and new cleaners may face slow periods with fewer bookings. Competition can also be tough, especially in areas with many established cleaners offering low prices. Customer expectations can be demanding. Some may want last-minute service or perfect results on old, damaged windows. Managing expenses, staying insured, and keeping tools in good shape also require attention. Despite these challenges, careful planning, good customer service, and consistent quality work can help overcome these obstacles and keep the business growing. Is it worth it? A window cleaning business can be worth it for people who enjoy active, hands-on work and want the freedom to run their own schedule. It's a trade with relatively low start-up costs, flexible hours, and the potential for steady income once you build a loyal customer base. The work offers instant results. You can see the difference you make, which many find satisfying. However, it's not without its downsides. Weather, physical demands, and hidden expenses can be challenging. Income can vary with the seasons, and it takes time to establish a reputation. Success depends on more than just cleaning skills. You need good customer service, reliability, and smart business management. For those willing to work hard, plan well, and adapt to challenges, this business can provide a good living and even grow into a larger operation with employees. In the end, it's a career that rewards effort, skill, and persistence.